Hi guys, today we are here to study about the third chapter of your syllabus as evolution and diversity of the organisms, right? So according to this chapter, the first part of this is condition of the earth before life. You have to study about that, right? So you guys know that Earth and the other planets of the solar system were formed about 4.6 billion years ago, right? So at the beginning, the Earth was being bombarded by chunks of rocks and ice, right? So at the first atmosphere, the atmospheric layer was very thick. Why? Because of the water vapors, which release by what? Yeah, which releases by the volcanic eruptions and which includes nitrogen and its oxides, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide. Using all these gases, the atmospheric layer was very thick, right? So the neutral atmosphere then turned to be a reducing one, right? And at that period, the atmosphere had a very little amount of oxygen, right? And later, what happened? Yeah, later, this earth was cooled down and the water vapor condensed into ocean, right? And some of this hydrogen quickly escaped into the space. Okay, so due to the volcanic eruptions, lightning, extreme UV radiations, hydrothermal vents, and alkaline vents, along with the Earth's reducing atmosphere, it favored the synthesis of organic molecules, which is essential for the origin of the life, right? So, and then what happened? Yeah, the simple organic molecules then they get polymerized to form, yes, the macromolecules. The macromolecules such as what? Yeah, proteins and nucleoacids, right? So, what happened? The simple organic molecules then polymerized to form macromolecules as proteins and nucleic acid, right? And then what happened? These formed ones they get self replicated to the organic molecules and it made life possible on the earth, right?